Is it the right time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into CrowdStrike. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 16, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 30, 2023, our system has ranked CrowdStrike as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.72. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 88.56% since we first listed CrowdStrike as a buy candidate 76 days ago. That's an average return of 1.17% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. Currently, the stock is in the midst of a strong and steady upward trend. This suggests that there is potential for further growth in the near future. Based on the recent 3-month trend, there is a projected 51.88% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This means that investors could see a return ranging from 39.50% to 56.07%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 109.46% change in the stock's value over the next year. This indicates a potential return ranging from 43.59% to 113.73%. In other words, the stock could reach a price range of $472.77 to $703.68 after a year. Here's the latest update for CrowdStrike. On Friday, the 16th of February 2024, CrowdStrike stock experienced a decline of 0.646%. The stock price dropped from $331.38 to $329.24. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $325.13 and a high of $332.37, representing a 2.23% range. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has shown an overall gain of 8.46%. It's worth noting that the volume of shares traded decreased on the same day, which is often seen as a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 800,000 shares, with a total of 2 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $689.48 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $338.45, while the lowest was $110.46. Currently, the stock is trading at a price 2.72% lower than its 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $9.21. The 52-week high of $338.45 also happens to be the all-time high for this stock. Today, I want to talk about the latest analyst ratings for CRWD, a popular stock. Let's start with the report from Monday, January 29, 2024. Wedbush gave CRWD a market outperform grade with a hold action. Another report on the same day, Monday, January 29, 2024, came from Truist Financial. They gave CRWD an underperform grade with a hold action. Moving on to Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Morgan Stanley upgraded CRWD with an overweight grade. Lastly, on Thursday, December 21, 2023, both Rosenblatt Securities and Needham gave CRWD a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given CrowdStrike stock a general rating of buy. They highly recommend the stock with a P/E ratio rating of strong buy and a price-to-book rating of strong buy. However, when it comes to the return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Here are the key signals for CrowdStrike. The CrowdStrike stock is displaying positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a promising outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock is likely to find support at $327.33 and $291.66. However, if the price falls below these levels, it may trigger sell signals. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It is important to note that a few negative signals have also emerged, which could impact the short-term development. One such signal was a sell signal issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 14, 2024, resulting in a minus 1.59% decline. This downward trend is expected to continue until a new bottom pivot is identified. It is worth mentioning that the volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently giving a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots, which gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also provided a buy signal 3 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, it gave a sell signal 14 days ago. Now, if we zoom out and consider the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average gave a buy signal 30 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 202 days ago. Lastly, let's examine the relation between the short and long moving averages. It gave a buy signal 235 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to explore more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. When it comes to support, there are 2 levels to keep an eye on. Just below today's stock level, we have accumulated volume support at $273.77 and $260.08. Support levels are important because if they are broken, the stock may fall further to the next support level. In the case of CrowdStrike, if $273.77 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $260.08 and $257.32. Now let's discuss the risk involved. This stock has average movements during the day, which means it can be a bit unpredictable. However, with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the recent volatility, we can see that in the last day, the stock moved $7.24 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 2.23%. And over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.88%. Before we explore potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that a company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies can go through temporary downturns due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on March 5, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at 82 cents. It's crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's delve into potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. If the stock is on an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $329.34. If you're not a current shareholder, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before making a move. However, if you already own shares, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, CrowdStrike encounters its first support level at $273.77. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. CrowdStrike has received a buy rating from multiple analyst sources. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Michael Santonas conducted an insider sell of 22,123 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz conducted an insider sell of 2,408 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz conducted an insider sell of 8,195 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz conducted an insider sell of 8,528 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz conducted an insider sell of 6,902 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power ratio to be negative at -44.894. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 346,189 shares and sold 936,606 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $315.44 with a decrease of 4.19%. This stock exhibits moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 2 days ago. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it seems that there is a buying opportunity for CrowdStrike stock in the short term. However, it's important to note that our analysis shows the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Tuesday, February 20th, we expect CrowdStrike to open down $0.327 and start trading at $328.91. Before we begin, it's crucial to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear what your target for the stock is as well. And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Our goal is to provide you with valuable trading insights. Thank you for tuning in, and have a wonderful day.